안녕하세요, 물고기 친구들. 저는 세레나예요. Hello everyone, this is Serena, your Korean teacher. Today we are going to go through the verb conjugation, finally. So, are you guys excited? I am very excited. This lesson, you will be able to say a lot more than before. Before, we were kind of trying a little bit, using some simple grammar, playing with the numbers. From this lesson, we will be able to actually say quite a lot of things. And don't forget, guys, you guys need to improve your vocabulary, alright? Like, as much as you know, you can actually say a lot more. So, I will gonna help you. I'll try my best to create some vocabulary videos for the verbs as well. So you guys need to work it out, all right? So let's get started. So the verb conjugation, you guys need to remember this thing. You remember the videos of the vowels. You guys need to check over here if you don't remember. So we do have the plus vowels, which is the positive vowels, right? And then the minus negative vowels. This will help the one that we are going to do it now, all right? The first one as we did before, 가다. So 가다 is to go. 가다, that's the infinitive verb form. And in order to use it, we need to conjugate it, right? I did give you this 가다 before in this video. So this one, we just simply need to take the infinitive form away and then put 요. So that became 가요, 가요. So if you want to say, I go to school, to, we do know that's actually the preposition, yeah? So I, 저는 go to school. So to school supposed to come first because we put the verb in the end, right? 저는 to school, 학교에 go, 가요. 저는 학교에 가요. We can simply make sentences like this. Korean. If the verb ends with a vowel a, like 가다, 자다, to sleep, or 사다, to buy. Those ones you just simply need to take away and put 요 instead. So 가다, to go, 가다, 가요, 자다, 자요, 사다, 사요. Simple. And then, what if the verb ends with 어? If the verb ended with 어 sound like 서다. 서다 means to stand, right? So 서다, that's also same. 서다, you just simply need to take away 다 and add 요. 서다, 서요. 서다 is a little bit difficult to use. Just remember that 서다 is to stand, but because we don't really say stand itself, we need to say stand up or stand still, right? So that stand still, actually, I can tell you. Stand still is 서 exists as it is. 서 있다. So 서 있어요. Right. Anyway, so 서 ending, we need to say just simply 서요, add 요 in the end. Korean. All right, now is the point. We need to know the rules. We need to know the patterns, how things work. So what we are going to do right now is going through all the regular verbs conjugations. Of course, we do have the irregular verbs as well, but we are doing the main ones, right? So there's 오다, for example. If the verb ends with 오, beside of the infinitive form, if the word ends with 오 is actually the positive vowel, right? We do need to attach one more. O is positive, so we do need to put another positive, a, together. O always merge with a, 와. So 오다 becomes 와요, 와요, 와요. 친구가 와요. 친구가 와요. 엄마가 와요. What about 보다? 보다 봐요. Simple. Then now we are going to talk about the 우 ending, right? If the verb ends with 우, that is the negative vowel, so we need to put Yes, that's correct. We need to put the another negative one. So 우, 워. 주다, for example, to give. 줘요. 주다, 줘요. Korean. Next one is ending. So if the verb ends with 우 is actually a little bit different. Becomes something else. It changes the shape. So we do not really use become Right, it's a little interesting, right? So 쓰다, for example, to write. 쓰다. 써요. That's the conjugation. 쓰다, 써요. Very simple. You just need to remember that will gonna turn into just disappears, all right? And what about ending? Like 마시다. 마시다 means to drink. 마시다. Also changes shape. 마시다 becomes 마셔요. So become 여. 마셔요. 마시다, 마셔요. So far was the all vowel ending, right? But sometimes we do have the bottom consonant ending, right? But I'll come back with another video and I'll explain these all for you. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in next video. 안녕히 계세요.